Hey everybody, Bjorn with Hewitt Jackson Real Estate here again with some more real estate information, tips, tricks, whatever you want to call it. Before I get into today's topic, which is going to be the term as is, I don't know if you've ever come across that in the listing. Anyhow, before I get into that, take a second to like, subscribe, share, comment, put an emoji on there, anything, right? As is. Have you ever been looking through online, looking at listings through my website, seeing a home and it says home sold as is? What does that mean? Well, first of all, it's kind of a weird term because technically every house that's ever been sold is sold as is. When you take it into possession, that's how you get the house. But I digress a little bit there. What it generally means is that the sellers are not willing or maybe able to make concessions on the sale price or repairs. Okay? That's what that means. It's a technique or a tactic of saying, hey, this is what we're asking for the house. We're not going to make any repairs. We're not going to do anything. You'll see it in some cases with things like estate sales or maybe a distressed property as is. Now, does that mean that when you're in the process of looking at houses or maybe even buying the houses that you can't ask for stuff in the process? Well, no, not necessarily. You have that right as a buyer, but it's just the seller's way of saying, hey, we're probably not going to do anything extra because either we can't or we just won't. So that's where the term as is comes into play. Don't let it scare you away, because oftentimes I've found that a phone call from old Bjorn to the other agent will uncover a little bit of information, and it's not as fierce or as scary as it sounds. And in some cases, I have found out, nothing can be done. This is the way the property's going. Good. We can move on to the next one. So there you go. Another term for you, as is. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back again real soon with another video. Until then, be kind to one another.